Welcome to Connected Classrooms. I'm Professor Kent Escobin, and today we launch our journey into interactive, collaborative lesson design. Over these 2 days, we'll cover 1. Why collaboration matters, 2. The teacher's role as a facilitator, and 3. Aligning activities with learning goals. And of course, I'll show you real examples you can use tomorrow. Imagine two classrooms. In one, students listen to a 20-minute lecture on ecosystems. In the other, they break into triads to map a local food web using images. Then, teach one another. Which class do you think remembers more? That's the power of collaboration. Example, in a chemistry unit on acids and bases, Group A simply reads definitions aloud. Group B conducts a mini lab, testing household liquids with page paper, then compares results and creates a group poster. Group B not only engages deeper, they learn to ask questions like, why did vinegar turn red? And explain it to their peers. Collaborative tasks like these build critical thinking, social skills, and most importantly, ownership. When students see their own hypothesis succeed or fail in front of their classmates, they invest emotionally too. In a collaborative classroom, we shift from lecturing to launching and coaching. Example, during a literature circle on Romeo and Juliet, instead of analyzing character motives yourself, you assign roles. Discussion director, like the one who poses questions. Illustrator, the one who draws key scenes. And connector, the one who relates themes to students' lives. You circulate, ask each group, why or what story connections did you find? And guide them when they hit a dead end. You are not absent, you're strategically present. You model active listening. I hear you wondering why Juliet defied her family. So let's explore that. And then use scaffold. If you get stuck, use these or this question stem. What evidence from the text suggests? That combination of structure and freedom lets students take the lead while you steer when needed. Effective collaboration always ties back to a clear goal. Example objective, students will evaluate historical sources for bias. Aligned activity. In small teams, each student reads a different primary source about the Industrial Revolution. Perhaps a factory owner's letter, a child laborer's diary, or a politician's speech. They then rate each source's reliability on a shared rubric in a debate. Which source best explains living conditions? And why? That debate drives home the objective. By starting with biased source analysis, you ensure the group task isn't random exercise. It's precision teamwork aimed at one skill. Measurability example. Use a rubric with criteria, identifies bias, justifies rating, engages respectfully. Students know what exactly to aim for, and you know exactly what to assess. So here are 4 strategies with mini examples to try next week. 1. Small group investigation. Here are 4 strategies with mini examples to try next week. 1. Small group investigations. In science, trios analyze water samples from different school sites, record turbidity, and present findings. 2. Structured roles. In mathematics, in a geometry station, one student measures, one sketches, one records angles, then they rotate. Third, interactive discussions. In social studies, a fishbowl debate on immigration policies, inner circle discusses, outer circle observes, and then rotates in. And number 4, peer feedback. In writing, after drafting persuasive essays, pairs exchange rubrics and give 2 compliments plus 1 suggestion. So each of these examples shows collaboration in action, clear roles, real products, and built in accountability. Collaboration makes learning active and memorable. Facilitation is about guiding, modeling, and scaffolding. And alignment ensures every activity serves a clear learning goal. So, your challenge, pick one lesson this week. It could be science, history, and English, and redesign it to include a collaborative element with roles and a shared task. Notice how students talk to each other differently and how much more they remember. Thanks for joining day 1 and 2 of Connected Classrooms. See you then, and happy planning.